Hey everybody, we got some more retro tech to look at today. This was another Goodwill score. Some of you from the early days may remember these. The Telezapper, supposed to get your number off of telemarketer lists. I believe it did something like send a signal back to tell the RoboDialer that it wasn't a legitimate number, or it went to I don't know, something like that. So this is brand new in the box. It still has the stickers. It was I don't know if I paid $3, but it's the sticker they have on it. So let's open it up and see. And I wonder if that URL is still available, or if it still has a website, telezapper.com. At some point when I pause, I'll check. Alright, so it is, I don't know, 2002. See if there's any kind of date on this anywhere. 2002. And you're sick of all the telemarketing calls, so you buy your Telezapper at Circuit City, and then you go home, you pull it all out, and we can look at all of the warranty thing that we never ever send in. You have the questionnaire, and then we have the manual. Let's see, read these instructions carefully. Safety instructions. Read and understand all instructions. Don't use this near water. Don't use the telephone during a thunderstorm. Blah 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 blah. Alright. Installation. Never install telephone wiring during a lightning storm. Oh. Okay. I guess if you're in Canada, more info. Okay, let's get to what we're looking for. Okay, programming instructions. Here we go. Telezapper has 2 levels of privacy to help zap computer-dialed telemarketing calls. The unit is shipped at the basic level of privacy, which will help with the majority of telemarketing calls. At this level, Telezapper will emit a single tone, which is the first of the 3 tones for the disconnected signal. The advanced level of privacy will switch the Telezapper to all 3 tones of the disconnected signal and zap even more telemarketers. You can switch the Telezapper following these easy instructions. If you have further questions, please call the customer service hotline at the number that follows. So there's a little switch you move. So that is what the thing does. It sends a line as disconnected signal. That's how you hook it up with an answering machine or a phone with caller ID. Just make sure it's the first thing after the wall. And then there's a whole bunch of information about telemarketing. If anybody really wants to see this, I'll take pictures or scan it or something. But I'm really not that interested in that part. I'm interested in this part. Let's, oh, the clamshell. Let's see if we can open this without shredding myself. Alright, so let's pop this out. Now, I don't have a landline to plug this into, so all we're really going to be able to do is take this apart, which should be fine. They do send a small jumper so that you can connect it to the wall. It's the same color as my mat almost. And then there's that switch they were talking about that blocks all the calls, or all the telemarketing calls, and this just blocks some of them. There's a model number, TZ900. It's from Plant V, G02B. So let's see, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, 7th month maybe, 2002. We'll see if there's anything else inside that points to that. So to get inside, it looks like, yep, too big. also going to be too big. Do it with this one. From Privacy Technologies. Wouldn't be surprised if they were still around. Oh, anti-theft thingy. Privacy Technologies on the board, so they either made the board or had the board made for them, so it's not a rebadged something or other. And there we go, ta-da! It has a battery, 2032 I'm assuming, yep. We'll see if that's any good. And then we have some chips. Got a bridge. I guess this is where, that must be where it senses the ringing signal. Let's see, the U4, I can't quite tell, what is MCP 602? Let's see, that one is marked with a 216 and 1540. And this other one, 12LC 508 maybe? I think that might be the microcontroller. I thought this might be it, but there's a crystal, so this must be the microcontroller. And I don't know, one of these may be an op amp, I'm not sure. I'm going to have to see if I can find out what those parts are. I'm pretty sure that's the microcontroller. And there's our mode switch. And there's a fuse. A big old capacitor, and that must be for suppression noise. Yeah, this is the phone stuff. They just jump right across with one of them, and then the other one, it does have some inductors in there to help, but yeah, not much to it, huh? If I can figure out what the rest of those chips are, I will put them in the description. We'll check that battery. It's 16 years old. Be surprised. Yeah, that's flat. Flat. I do have some of these. If I can somehow figure out how I can plug this in and try it, I'll do that. But until then, that's pretty much all we're going to do on this. There's the inside of a Privacy Technologies Telezapper from 2002. So if you have any questions, put them down below. And as usual, thank you for watching.